Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today we're going to be unboxing our Magical Earth box for June 2019. So that should be what, the Cancer box. It's very heavy. It came in this mailer. Let's check it out. Ooh, heavy. Thank you. June 20th to July 20th. This is the information card. Their information. My favorite part. I love their forecast. I look at it every single morning. I've been slacking on my journaling in the morning though, let's be real. But I do look at this every morning without fail. It's just because I've been having vivid dreams, and it takes me a while to write them down, and then I'm like in a rush to get ready for work. Okay, this. Hey. Some information about this. Okay. 2 of coins. This is a pretty cool deck. This is my tarot card. 2 of pentacles. Tells you more about this. Very cool. Desert rose. I love those. Can't wait to see it. Lepidolite. I also like those. Put these dealy boppers aside for right now. Rosemary. Classic. Wonderful herb. Jasmine. Goat's brew. I don't know if I got that. Okay. Let's see what's in the little bag here. So just while I'm unwrapping, oh, wow. I love it. It is such a different shape. I love it. Wow. Guessing that's the lepidolite. Have to save that. You see all this? Okay. And here's yellow fluorite. It's pretty. It reminds me. It's got that. I don't know if you can see, but it's got like a little purple ring, a light on the bottom, and a color on top. I love fluorite. It's really pretty. I didn't know I love fluorite until I got so many of them recently. But I love them. Oh, this is heavy and cool. I can't wait to see what it is. But if I had to guess before opening, it feels like a mortar and pestle. Which I do have one laying around somewhere, but that's because I'm Puerto Rican, and it is actually the best way to mince garlic for sofrito. Oh, definitely, because this is a pestle, but I don't use the kitchen one for this. Ooh, and I also got one from a box before, but nothing this size. This is a really pretty big size. Heavy. Very pretty color. Let's check it out. Here's my desert rose. It's a pretty little one. My God, it's so lovely. The stones this month. That's one of my favorite things about Magical Earth is sometimes their stones just blow me away. They're so pretty. Ooh, check this out. Got a little bottle. It looks like gem chips. I hope you can see everything. I gotta be really delicate because I break stuff, guys. Oh. Oh my goodness, so fancy. Cute. Cool, so cool. Now I gotta read what all this is for. Okay, happy summer solstice to all. This month centers around a few things. It is a great time to reinforce your intentions for the year that you set in January. Use your incense to do this. It is also summer solstice and a time for our mystical and magical creatures. Lepidolite, joy, gratitude, and self-love. There's a card with more information. Yellow fluorite, a rare find, creativity, clearing, and healing. See card for more information. All right. Desert rose, confidence, strength, focus. This one's a really pretty specimen. I'm loving it. See card for information. Oh, look at that. And it's got a picture on the back. Oh, wow. I've been thinking about how to chronicle these. Thankfully, I don't throw any of these away. I keep them in a journal. So I've got to go back and see if she's done that before. I've never noticed. Herbs. See this card. So let's look at this card really quick. Jasmine, love, money, dreams, purification, wisdom, luck in general, and essentially relating to love. Rosemary, remembrance, memory, energy, healing to purify, dispels depression. Rosemary, jasmine. Valerian root. I think I'm missing one little thing. This is the first time it's ever happened, but let me just double check that it's not somewhere. And I haven't lost it because it says there's a valerian root. But maybe I don't know what I'm looking for because I don't think I have any valerian root. Okay. Let me just double check. Sorry for this delay really quick. I might cut it off, but frankly, y'all know that I don't edit most things out. I don't want this to look polished. I want this to feel like we're together in my house and I'm sharing this box with you because that's what I want it to be. But it looks like I don't know. Let me see. So I don't have valerian root, so I'll send Janet a message, and I'm sure she'll get it to me super, super quick. Goat's root, which is Galega officinalis, healing and health. So that's pretty cool. I do not have this. Learn how to research and use herbs to create an incense blend that includes the properties of whatever you're trying to do. Just like crystals, herbs also carry properties. You can also use your incense to clear and purify your crystals. Put your crystals in a dish and pass through the smoke 3 times. For those that ordered last month, you can also use some of your lavender to add to your blend. Incense blessing. It just tells you more about that. More about this. Missing one little piece. I'll send her a message. That's okay. To be frank, I wasn't going to make incense because this is my only version of this, and I will probably keep that in the valerian root in my cupboard. Plus, I don't like loose incense. Okay, so let's look at the next item. Dragon griffin jar. I think mine is definitely a dragon. Our mystical gift. Very cool. A fairy bottle. Put in sunlight and charge it, and it glows in the dark. Cool. My son's gonna go ballistic over that. Oh, and there's a little detail I missed. Do you guys see her? It's a little fairy. Okay, and then monthly astrological overview and a tarot mindfully drawn for you. So this is my Magickal Earth box for June 2019 with a Cancer theme and a mortar and pestle, which is super cool. I'm loving the stones. Also, this little dragon thing is kind of cool. I did miss one item, but that's totally okay. I'm just gonna message her, and she's always been super responsive to messages in the past, so I have no doubt that I will get it very shortly, so I am totally not stressing about it. A lovely box. I've gotten this box for quite some time now. I very much enjoy it. It has a different feel because it does go more over the astrological aspect, which astrology is one of my very favorite spiritual practice elements. And tell me what you think, guys. As always, please like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned. Tomorrow is going to be my 500 subscriber giveaway. And I'm so grateful for that. Thank you guys for joining me. I love you. I hope you stick around here at Hound Dog Hollow. And I will talk to you guys very soon. Thanks for watching. Do it again.
Rolling.
There you go.
Kids.
Oh, you're so cute.